Hey, what's up guys? This is 3D Bonfire back with another amazing tutorial, and this time I want to show you in like 5 minutes how to create an ugly alien creature out of 4 donuts or torus, however you want to call it, and it will be a lot of fun, okay? So we want to keep this one short, and by the way I also create like a new lesson from a Patreon. There are over 100 exclusive lessons, all of the good stuff, you will find it there. So if you enjoy my YouTube, then just be sure that you can also check out my Patreon, okay? You can subscribe at any time and get your full month of training. So if you want to have more of the good stuff, consider to become a Patreon of me, okay? And now let's have some fun and jump into Cinema 4D. So I grab a torus, okay, NB to see the lines, and let's just adjust this a little bit. Oh, that was the wrong parameter. Let's do it like this, for example. I think we can even put more into it, like 250 and maybe 150, something like this one. Or you know what, let's be a little bit more like quads here. That seems to be a good resolution. And I want to put a cloth tag on it. Press Ctrl D to go into simulation settings and get rid of the gravity. I already did that. That's great. NA to get rid of the lines. Now we want to adjust this one and we want to inflate this one maybe with an overpressure of 3. Let's just see what will happen. All right, and your donut will inflate, but hey, that doesn't look like an alien at all, okay? So I want to show you a little trick, but before we do it, let's just adjust this one a little bit. We also want to adjust the target length. Let's make a keyframe here and let's jump to frame 20, for example, and let's put this one to maybe 120. Let's just double check this one. All right, now we already get some nice wrinkles. This is cool, but now comes the magic part. Okay, so this is the only important takeaway from this tutorial, and it's like a secret technique. Okay, I just came up with it, but now it's not secret anymore. So go to mix animation and set this one to, for example, 18%, and now just let the magic happen, and you can see that now you get all of these crazy wrinkles and already have like an ugly alien donut. Okay, so yeah, man, there you go. All right, and now I would say you can just duplicate this donut, put one beneath it, maybe do it with 3 donuts, do it like this one, okay? And now let's just cache this one and let's see our beautiful alien. All right, the scene is cached and let's just see what will happen here. Okay, there you go. I mean, it's almost like a little berry or something like that, but I think it's also like an alien. So you could pause it like this one, and now you get like this ugly alien worm here. You could select all of your torus, go to subdivision surface, hold down Alt to smooth all of them. Okay, so now this is looking crazy. And I mean, we could also put some light and materials into it, but maybe we can focus as a last task here onto the tooth part. Okay, so let's put some tooth into this ugly mouth here. Okay, and therefore I want to just grab a cone. Let's do it like this, NB to see the lines. We want to have definitely more height segments. The tooth is way too big. Let's scale it down. Let's make it a bit bigger like this one. Okay, that's nice. NA to get rid of the lines. Now hold down Shift and select the bend deformer, put it into it, adjust the strength just a little bit, something like this one. Now you can also adjust the angle to probably 270, something like that. Now you create the cloner, put the cone, the teeth into the cloner, set this one to radial. Okay, there you go. Also go to the bend, make this one invisible, go to your cloner, adjust the radius to something like 130, give it more teeth, something like this one, move it up a little bit, and I mean, now it's just up to you to adjust this one. Press T to make it smaller, do it something like this one. You can also go to the offset and just give this a little bit of variation, put this one to 10 or something like that, or even to 20. Now they will be just a bit irregular spaced here. Okay, this is nice. You can also go to MoGraph effectors and select the random effector, go into it. You don't need to adjust the position, but the scaling, set it to uniform scale and set this one to 0.3 to just get different sized teeth here. Okay. All right, that's nice. I want to create another row of teeth, adjust the radius, make it a little bit smaller like this one, go into the teeth, press T to scale it down, do it like this one, press R to rotate it to just give it a little bit of extra variation. And now it is just up to you how many rows of teeth you want to put into the alien's mouth. Now you put some beautiful materials on it, some light, and do the good stuff. But yeah, the main takeaway lesson here would be to just play with the mix animation parameter here while you put the balloon effect on it, and then you get all kinds of crazy wrinkles. Okay, so don't forget about that. Have an amazing day, be powerful, be prolific, and don't forget to subscribe to my Patreon if you want to learn more of the good stuff. Okay, see you next time. Bye everyone.